Okay, now we're on example 5, and it's using angular speed. So, example 5, angular speed. And they're going to give you problems that deal with tires for the most part. And it tells you how many revolutions they can do per minute. So, let's say a truck is 36-inch wheels in diameter. So the diameter of the wheel is 36 inches. And it's rotating at 630 revolutions per minute. So we're going to do RPM, revolutions per minute. And it wants to know what the speed is in miles per hour. Okay, so we're going to calculate this truck with 36-inch wheels. The wheels are rotating at 630 revolutions per minute. We're going to convert revolutions per minute to miles per hour. Okay, so we have to do a conversion problem. So we're going to start with 630. If I write the right number, 630, and this is revolutions in 1 minute. Okay. So I know I'm going to have to convert my minutes to hours. So let's do that first. So I'm going to multiply this by a conversion fraction. And since I'm in minutes, I want to put minutes on top so I can cross cancel my units, and hours on bottom. I know there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. Okay? So now I am in hours. So I'm okay with that. Now I need to change my revolutions to miles. So I'm going to multiply and convert this revolutions to radians, because I know that 1 revolution all the way around would be a full circle. And I know that there are 2 pi radians in a full circle. Okay? So I'm going to cross cancel my revolutions, so I'm going to put revolutions on bottom, I'm going to put radians on top. And I know that in 1 revolution, there are 2 pi radians. Okay, so then I can cancel out my revolutions, and now I'm in radians. Okay, now I'm going to convert my radians to inches. And the way I do that is I'm going to multiply by my radius, because I know that 1 radian would be equivalent of 1 radius. Okay, so I know that since my wheels are 36 inches, that my radius would be 18 inches, and I know that that would be equal to 1 radian. So 18 inches, and then my radians will cancel out, and now I'm in inches. Okay, now I need to convert that inches to miles. Okay, so we need to multiply by 2 more fractions, and I'm running out of room, so I'm going to put it down here on the bottom. I don't want to rewrite that. I'm drawing an arrow here. I want to convert from inches to feet first. So I'm going to put my inches on bottom so I can cross cancel them. I know that there are 12 inches in 1 foot. My inches cancel, and now I'm in feet. And I want to multiply that by something to cancel the feet and put it in miles. Okay, so my feet cancel out. Oh, and there's 5,280 feet in a mile. My feet cancel out, and now I'm in miles. okay? And I wanted miles per hour, so if I look through, I have hours on bottom, I have miles on top. So now I just need to multiply these numbers together, okay? So let's write it as one simple fractional problem. So we're going to have 630 multiplied by 60 multiplied by 2 pi multiplied by 18, all on top. And on the bottom, we have 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times 12 times 5,280. So 12 times 5,280 on the bottom. And if we multiply that all out, the answer is 67.47 miles per hour. Okay, the last part, example 6, basically we end up with the conversions for nautical mile and statute mile. Okay, so let me switch this and let's talk about what a nautical mile is. Okay, so a nautical mile. A nautical mile is used when we're talking about flying, so flying planes, or it's used when we're talking about boats and sailing or driving a boat. That's when nautical miles are used, okay? And it has to do with, it's easier to calculate the distance based on latitude, okay? So 1 nautical mile is the length of 1 minute of arc along the Earth's equator. Okay, and statute miles are simply just your land miles, your miles on land, which we use all the time if we're finding distance. Okay, and here's the conversions. Your conversions. We know that 1 statute mile is equal to approximately equal to 0.87 nautical miles. So a nautical mile is longer than a statute mile. If we're talking about feet, I know that a statute mile is 5,280 feet. A statute mile is like 6,060, I believe, something like that, feet. So a nautical mile is longer than a statute mile. Okay, and if we go the other way, we know that 1 nautical is equal to approximately equal to 1.15 statute. 3 T's in statute miles. Okay, that's the last of the examples from section 4.1.